Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and feel at home. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Please watch the video up to the end and don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Guys, have you ever worried about your Facebook account getting hacked? Imagine losing access to your account, personal data, or even having your profile used for scams. Scary, right? Today I will show you exactly how to secure your Facebook account and keep hackers out step by step. It's almost like the same process I used when my YouTube channel was hacked and I was able to recover my channel. So guys, by the end of this video, you will know about 1. Setting up a strong security setting. 2. You will know how to enable a 2-factor authentication and also be able to recognize in case of a hacking attempt, as well as recover your account if it ever gets compromised. So please stick around. The first step is to set up a strong security. What does it mean by a strong security? 1. It is to use a strong password. Avoid using easy passwords like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or a word like password, because they can easily be guessed. Instead, use a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers and symbols. 2. Never use the same password across multiple sites, because if a hacker gets your password from another site, they can use it to access your Facebook account. Point number 3. You should make it a habit of changing your password regularly. Update it every few months for extra security. So guys, the second step is to enable the 2-factor authentication, the one we call the 2FA. Go to settings, click on security and log in, the 2-factor authentication. Then choose the authentication method. You will get 2 options. Option 1 is the text message. The option for text message is less secure, but it's still better than nothing. Option 2, authentication app, which is most recommended. Use the Google Authenticator or Authy for better security. Then set up the backup codes in case you lose access to your phone. With this 2FA enabled, even if a hacker gets your password, they won't be able to log in without your verification code. The third step is recognizing and preventing hacking attempt. First, you should be aware of any phishing scams. Hackers do usually send fake emails or even messages pretending to be Facebook. They might ask you for your login details or say your account is at risk. Never, by any chance, click a suspicious link in emails or messages. Always log in directly from facebook.com site. Secondly, you should be able to check active sessions. Go to settings, then security, and log in where you are logged in. If you see an unfamiliar device or location, log it out immediately. Also, enable login alerts. This way you will always be notified if someone tries to log in from an unknown device. The other point is that you should avoid public Wi-Fi. Hackers can intercept data on unsecured networks. Use a VPN if you must access Facebook on public Wi-Fi. It is a technology that creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet. It helps to protect your online privacy by masking your IP address and routing your internet traffic through a remote server, making it appear as if you are browsing from a different location. So guys, the fourth step is what to do in case your Facebook account is hacked. Point number 1 is try to log in and reset your password. Go to Facebook's recovery page and follow the steps. Then you can also check your email for unauthorized changes. If a hacker changed your email, revert it immediately. Then secure your Facebook account through Facebook Help Center. So guys, I hope you now know exactly how to protect your Facebook account from hackers. If this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and share it to help others. You can also check my previous videos, how my YouTube channel was hacked and how I managed to recover my channel. So guys, stay safe online and I will see you in my next video. Bye.